Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so now as you can see we are doing the setup process. So now let's simply begin. In here select your language that you're interested in. In my case it's simply going to be English. Click on next. Now select your region and again click on next. Click on next once more, and now we have the first option that we are interested in, which is set up using another device. You can already see that on our second phone the setup option appeared. So let's click on setup and click on Android device. Now we need to scan this QR code using our another phone. Now I need to verify that it's me. Okay. Now as you can see it's automatically connecting into the Wi-Fi. And now let's simply wait until it's finished. It might take a little bit, so be patient and I'll see you once this loading screen is finished. Okay, and now we have possibility to log into our Google account. In here I'm gonna click on next to log in. Now I'm gonna type my password, so just give me a second. Okay, then click on next. Okay, click on next once more. Click on agree. Now, if you have a SIM card, you can simply plug it in right now or download the eSIM. In my case, I'm just gonna skip it, but of course you can remember that you can always do it later. Alright, now we have option to copy data. Now we want to click on next. Alright, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes. We can also see on our second device that we need to continue the setup on our OPPO. And now let's simply wait until it's finished. So once more, I'll see you once it's finished, this loading screen. Okay, and now we have a possibility to choose what we want to copy. So we can copy apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, messages, and also the device settings. You can see above how long it's going to take, about 6 minutes. But in my case I don't want any apps to be copied, so simply now click on copy once you have selected everything that you want. Okay, now click on in here you can select the unlock method, but in my case I'm simply gonna skip it. In here we have the Google services. We need to scroll down and click on accept. In my case I'm gonna turn on the backup. In here click on continue. Now we have possibility to turn on the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. I'm gonna turn it on, but I'm gonna skip the Google Pay. In here I'm gonna click on no thanks. Okay, now you can see that the copying process is still running, so let's wait until it's finished. Okay, 100%. And now it should be done. Yeah. Alright, so everything has been copied. Now click on done. Once more, getting ready to copy. Sorry, not getting ready to copy, but the phone is getting ready. Now we can see on our second device that the copying is done and we need to continue the setup on our second device. In here we have possibility to allow the OPPO account. It is completely up to you. I'm just gonna click on allow. Actually, I'm gonna skip it. Of course, you can always set it later on the settings. In here, simply scroll down and select I agree. And now select the navigation system. It can be buttons or the gestures. I'm just gonna leave the gestures. Now click on get started. And now our device is ready to use. Alright, so that was the first method how you can transfer data into your new OPPO. Also, please don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi because some of the apps are being installed currently from the Google Play Store in the background. Alright, so now I'll see you the second method, which is restoring the backup from the Google one. Alright, so now when we have possibility to set up using another device, we want to click on skip. Now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi manually, so simply find your Wi-Fi. In my case, I need to refresh, I guess. Yeah, okay. And now simply type your password. Then click on save. Okay, just like that. Now click on next. To move forward, once more we need to wait a little bit until this process is finished. So I'll see you once it's done. Alright, we are after, and now we have option to copy apps and data. Here we want to click on next. Sorry, I did it too fast because I need to go back. And now we need to click that we can't use other device. Click on OK. Okay, and now we have possibility to log in into our Google account. And now it is the crucial point, because now we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made a backup earlier. It is really important, so simply now log in. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can simply look for it. Alright, so now I'm gonna type my password and my mail. Okay, then simply click on next, and now I need to type my password. Right, then click on next. Click on next once more. Click on agree. Alright, now we have the option to restore data from another device, and that's the thing that we want to achieve. And in here, as you can see, we have our backups that I made earlier, the whole list. And now let's choose a backup that we want to restore. Let's select the first one. Now click on next. Now I need to confirm using the lock screen that I had earlier when I was creating the backup. And now we need to choose what we want to restore. So when it comes to the Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, as you can see, it's synced automatically, and in here we need to choose what we want to restore. So once you have selected everything, click on restore. Now the process will start, as you can see. Alright, now I'm gonna click on skip. In here we have basically the same thing that I was showing you in the previous method, so now I'm just gonna rush it through. If you want to know what's everything, I was describing that in the first method. I'm gonna turn on the backup, and here click on continue. Now we have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay though. In here I'm gonna click on no thanks. When it comes to the OPPO account, I'm also gonna skip it. Remember that you can always create it later in the settings. In here, simply click on agree. Now select the navigation system that you're interested in. I'm gonna leave the gestures. You can also select the buttons. Click on done. Now click on get started. And now we are ready to use our device. Also, please don't disconnect from your Wi-Fi, because some of the apps are still being installed from the Google Play Store. As you click right in here and find the notifications, you can see that the apps from Google Play Store are currently being installed. So you just need to simply wait. And I'm gonna show you that everything has been successfully transferred. In example of the photos, the Google Photos. So let's open up it, and you can see that all of the photos has been successfully saved and transferred into our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.